Hi, I'm Chris, and this is the Google Meet hardware kit from Google and Asus. With more people working remotely, the Google Meet hardware kit has been updated for optimal video and crystal clear audio. It comes in 3 configurations: the starter kit for huddle rooms or home offices, the small medium room kit, and the large room kit. Today, we're going to be looking at the starter kit. So let's see what's in the box. First is the 4K ultra-high def camera and cable. The 4K sensor camera has a 120-degree field of vision that works well in small to medium rooms. Next, the Google Meet speaker mic and cable, and the remote control with the USB sensor. And I've saved the best for last here. This is the all-new Google Meet compute system. It has an updated slim design on the outside, so it can fit behind your screen, and inside it features an Intel Core i7 processor to power all your video meetings. To go along with that, there's a power cable, AC adapter, and standing mount and a mounting kit. Now let's take a look at the back side of the Google Meet compute system. You'll notice that all your ports are located in this one side to keep installation simple and streamlined. One last thing I want to point out before we get into setup is that the exterior of the compute system is magnetic. This makes installation really as simple as a snap. It keeps things looking tidy, slim, and clean, and makes future expansion effortless. So a couple of things to point out here at the end of setup to help you get the most out of your kit. The Google Meet hardware kit works with Hey Google. You can use your voice to start a meeting, mute, turn the camera on and off, and end a meeting. This is great for keeping surfaces and hands a little cleaner. Thanks for watching this Google Meet hardware kit overview. For a deeper dive on anything we've talked about today, head over to g.co/meethardware.